Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Horse with No Name by America. And if you like the video, subscribe and we'll bring you more videos. All right, so let's get started. I think this is probably the best beginner song there is. There are 1, 2 chords using 2 fingers, the same 2 fingers. To start with, you're going to play this E chord. You're going to have your second finger on the A string, third finger on the D string, both on the 2nd fret. Then you're going to change to this chord here. You're just going to take these 2 fingers, lift them up, and spread them apart. This one goes down a string to the G string, and this one goes up here to the low E string. If it's easier for you, you could use your first 2 fingers. I like to do it like this. Down, up, and up, up, with down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. They play all the strings. They're playing it on an acoustic guitar, so the strings all sound real nice like that. So when you're starting out, it's important, I guess, to use the tips of your fingers. They call it using rounded tips. You get the tips of your fingers on there. That way the strings in between there, you're not touching them. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down, up, down, up, down, up, and down, up. So that's basically the gist of it. And if you play along with it, it's a great song to learn how to play along with the video, okay? It's got sort of a unique strumming pattern to it, so once you learn these 2 simple chords here, you can concentrate on your strumming technique. And then you can play along with the song online on YouTube if you want. There's a lot of videos of it out there, and then you could play along with it. I think somebody that could do this on their first day of guitar playing. So it's a very good song to learn on. So I hope this helps. and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.